What's going on, guys? Banana Motorsports here. Today we're going to be working on a Polaris Outlaw 525 and we're going to be moving the front brake pads. So kind of simple but a little bit hard. But anyways, first thing you gotta do is remove this Allen bolt right here, and it's a 3/16 Allen. Let's remove it. There it is. Now we got to remove these two bolts right here, and that's let's see what it is. I can't see it through my glasses. 15 mil. Okay, got the two bolts out from right here, and now we can just pull this down. Yeah, there we go. Just drag it out, and there it is. And then the service manual says we got to push this pin back to remove the pads. Let's see. I guess that's it. We just squeeze it. I guess both top and bottom. It's pretty damn hard. This is the hard part. There's one. Oops, let's just get back. I'm gonna squeeze them back. This bracket here. And just pull it out like that. So we gotta squeeze this bracket back. This top one here, we gotta squeeze it back just like that. So here are the old brakes. The old brakes are good, but I'm gonna replace them anyways. Here are the new ones, but I'm gonna remove this little thin piece of metal. I'm gonna take it off and put it on this one here. Okay, I removed the thin piece of metal from the back. So now I'm gonna put it on a new one, the new brake pads here. So I'm gonna apply some grease here. I'm using some white lithium grease so it can stay. I'm gonna put some on here also. Alright, let's put it back on. Just like that. So I'm gonna do the other one too. Okay, so next I'm gonna remove this plate off right here. This plate, you gotta just pull it out. And I'm gonna add some grease to these splines here. Add some grease to it so it can move in and out easy. I'm using white lithium grease. And while you're at it, I'm gonna push these back in, the cylinders for the new brakes. So I'm using a clamp. Just gonna squeeze them in. And to the other side. I think that should be good. Put our thing back in, just like that. There he goes. Now we're going to put our brake pads. Now we're going to put our front brake pad. These will go in here. Remember, you got to push both back. Come on, baby. Get in there. There. There's that one. Here's the other one. Just remember to push this bracket back. There you go. Oh, not this one. Okay, there. There it is. Both in. And now we gotta put it between here. Just like that. Got our top nut. I mean, top bolt, I'm sorry. And just like that, just go and retighten these two, and put that little Allen here, just Allen bolt, right in here. Tighten it up, and you're done. That's it. Brand new brakes. All right. Thanks for watching.